Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to give a quick walkthrough on how to integrate your Sunlight financial account with ARKA 360 and apply for loans directly from the portal. Under Settings, go to the External Integrations page. Here you can find all the integrations available with the ARKA 360 portal. Navigate to Sunlight Financial and click Connect. Enter your Sunlight portal username and password. Once your Sunlight account is integrated, you can go to the Design Summary page for any lead. For this demo, I'll use an existing lead where I've already created a design and added pricing. Head over to the Financing section and select Sunlight Loans. The state will already be selected based on the address. You can choose the installation category, such as solar only or battery only. Let's select solar only. Next, select the terms and rates. On the right, you'll see the loan principal and down payment. Using the slider, you can choose the loan amount as a percentage of the total cost. Slide it to apply for a zero down payment loan, and you'll see the total loan amount calculated, which here is $48,202. You can also adjust the paydown amount after the ITC. Based on the selected terms, rates, and cost, you'll see the monthly payments. For the first 16 months, the payment is $329, and without any paydown, it's $486 for 16 months. The applicant details are auto-filled based on the lead, but you can make edits and complete any missing details. If everything looks correct, you can proceed to apply for the loan. Once you click I understand, a form will be sent to the user via email to complete their personal information for a credit check. The loan status can be tracked directly in the portal once the user submits the loan. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.